Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have accounts and keys, now start building. Open Google Forms and create a new form, name it, then add essential fields, buyer name, email, and product selector. Use multiple choice or drop-down for products so you can map prices. Once those fields exist, add a short paragraph explaining payment terms and required info. Prepare to use a payment add-on or external checkout link. Make sure your prices are final and include tax or shipping as needed. Next, connect the payment flow. Install and authorize the add-on or paste app script that calls Stripe/PayPal APIs. Map the product field to dynamic amounts so selections trigger correct charges and include currency and description variables. Configure webhooks or use add-on callbacks so you record payment status back into the form response or a Google Sheet. Test with a $1 or test mode charge. Verify receipts. Save transaction ID, and that confirmation emails include payment details and next steps. Finish by polishing user experience. Write a clear submit button label, enable response receipts, and restrict form access if required. Turn on live mode for your payment provider and switch API keys from test to live. Monitor transactions in your processor dashboard and the linked Google Sheet for at least 1 day to confirm reliability. If something breaks, check script logs and webhook attempts first. Make sure API keys are correct. Callback URLs use HTTPS, and that field names match exactly, then retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.